lovely day today. And whatever you've got to do, you've got a lovely day to do it, and that's true. And I hope whatever you've got to do is something that can be done by two. For I'd really like to stay. It's a lovely day today. And whatever you've got to do, I'd be so happy to be doing it with you. But if you've got something that must be done, and it can only be done by one, there is nothing more to say, except it's a lovely day for saying it's a lovely day. Well, it's a lovely day today, and whatever you've got to do, I'd be so happy to be doing it with you. But if you've got something that must be done, and it can only be done by one, there's nothing more to say, except it's a lovely day for saying it's a lovely day. And it is. Isn't this an earworm? Fun song. It came from a play first, I believe, and then a movie called Call Me Madam. And I can't think of the gal who's in the movie right off the bat because I'm thinking of the actor Donald O'Connor and what an amazing talent he was, and really wasn't given as much credit as he should have for his talent. Good singer, fantastic dancer. Matter of fact, I don't know if you've ever seen the dancing scene with Gene Kelly where he dances on roller skates. Donald O'Connor did that 2 years before Gene Kelly. So and some pretty amazing stuff on the roller skates. Anyway, this is from a play called Call Me Madam, and it's written as a show song, so it's meant for two voices. And I include all the lyrics. This was only the first little section, voice 1 I called it. Then it comes in with voice 2, and I think I have voice 1, and then I have both of them together. But I didn't sing them all. I don't even have the chords for all of them. I do, however, have all the lyrics on the song sheet. So if you want to, you can paste and cut the chords in the proper locations and sing it as a duet. It's a fun little song. Check it out. Nothing difficult in here. Matter of fact, what this is a really good kind of finger game you can play, because it's G and A7 basically through the whole thing except for a D7. So it's a lovely day today, so whatever you've got to do, you've got a lovely day for doing it, that's true. That's all you got going on, and it sounds extremely boring, doesn't it? So what you can do instead is you've got your G, then a G major 7 is open 2 2 2, and a G6 or an E minor 7 is open 2 open 2. Back to a G major 7, which is open 2 2 2, like that. Back to a G. So if you want to practice this rocking back and forth, it's that's what we're doing in the beginning of this. It's a lovely day today, so whatever you've got to do. Now here comes the A7 part, which you could play. You've got a lovely day to do it, and that's true, to a D7. But that's pretty boring too, isn't it? So what I have here is A9, A7, A9, A7. And an A7 is open 1, open, open. And an A9 is open 1, open 2. And you're going to do that same rock and forth, back and forth there. So let's go. You've got a lovely day to do it, and that's true. So instead of this boring long G G G G G G G G G A7 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 G G G G D7 G G G G A minor, we get this rocking feeling, and it's more energy through the song because it's a very uplifting song. It's a fantastic earworm. Matter of fact, the morning I woke up whistling this, I knew things were going to be better that day. it can't help but make you step up, right? So just practice that rocking back and forth here. You're gonna, however you make your G and your G major 7 and your E minor 7, that's up to you. I play my G with my pointer up and my middle finger on the third string 2nd fret, ring finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, and my pinky on the 2nd string 3rd fret. So I have this one left. And the reason why I do that is for this very reason, that you can go to a G major 7 and you can go to a G7. And everybody has their reasons for making a G the other way, because you can tie it in with an A minor. But I encounter with my genre of music that I mostly play, I go from a G to a G7 more often. So this gives you that opportunity to practice that rock back and forth. Lovely day today, and whatever you've got to do. Here comes the A9. And remember, right here, you've got your ring finger already on string number 1, fret number 2. So you come up here to the A7. There's your A9. It's a lovely day to do it in. That's true. To the D7. The only other chord in here is an A minor. I believe that's it. And you know an A minor. So, hey, it's a lovely day today. Get your song sheet. It's a lovely day today at UkesterBrown.com under the song sheets button. And you might as well have a lovely day.